Welcome to Car Wash Destiny, your ultimate destination for everything cars. If you're a gearhead or simply love staying updated on the latest rides, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a vehicle that combines rugged utility with modern sophistication. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max builds on its reputation for toughness while introducing a host of new features that make it a standout in the competitive pickup truck market. Starting with its design, the D-Max boasts a more aggressive and aerodynamic front end with a bold grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a commanding road presence. The body has been refined with sharper lines and subtle curves, enhancing both style and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max offers improved powertrain options. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine delivers exceptional torque and efficiency, making it perfect for both work and play. Whether you're towing heavy loads or tackling off-road trails, the D-Max handles it all with ease. The inclusion of a smoother 8-speed automatic transmission ensures a responsive yet comfortable driving experience. The interior of the D-Max has seen significant upgrades, prioritizing both comfort and technology. High-quality leather seats with contrast stitching add a touch of luxury, while the cabin layout remains practical and user-friendly. The centerpiece is the new 10.1-inch infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Advanced connectivity options, including modern lifestyles and wireless charging, cater to modern lifestyles. Safety is another area where the 2025 D-Max shines. Isuzu has equipped this model with its latest advanced driver assistance system, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility in tight spots. Whether you're on city streets or rugged terrain, you'll feel confident behind the wheel. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the enhanced 4x4 capabilities, including improved ground clearance, a reinforced suspension system, and multiple driving modes tailored to different terrains. The D-Max is designed to conquer any challenge, from muddy trails to steep inclines, without breaking a sweat. Isuzu has also considered the environment, with its new engines meeting stricter emission standards while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. This balance of power and eco-friendliness makes the 2025 D-Max truck that aligns with modern values. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a vehicle that perfectly blends durability, style, and innovation. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.